Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable two-factor authentication on Paxful. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Paxful application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, use your credentials or your biometrics. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into the homepage, from which, if you have already enabled two-factor authentication and you wish to disable it, tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner. From this page, if you scroll down, you will see the two-factor authentication for login, transaction, as well as release for cryptocurrency options. Tap on whichever option you wish to turn off. And now, from the various different options that are available, make sure to choose none, and the two-factor authentication will be turned off for this particular feature. You can turn this off for the other two options as well by simply choosing the none option from the ones that are available. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off two-factor authentication on Paxful. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.